Week 14 of my weight loss journey has had its ups and downs, to say the least. Yeah, I'm honestly considering whether or not I want to move over from my weekly injection to trying out Foundayo, which is the GLP-1 pill for weight loss. Am I done with Zepbound? So this is my little touch of sweetness. I would say if you are going to add sweeteners to something, you might as well go with something that's all natural like honey. God made it. Because these baby spinach are high in fiber and lots of other good nutrients because they are dark green. See, dietitian, I'm listening to the things you're telling me and trying to teach me. And I've got some of the berry medley, great value frozen fruits, which is strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Adding to that, let me do this right before I make a mess. Shaking this up because these 30-gram protein shakes are thick. With my first layer of strawberries. Strawberries will give us a good boost of fiber and a good freshness, sweetness to our parfait. This was 1 pound of strawberries, and so I diced everything up really small. Wish I had some more of those delicious blackberries, because you know blackberries and raspberries give you the most fiber from your berries. Given a choice, well, all of this fruit is going to be a good boost of fiber. All of it. Yes, Kendi K said all of it is going to give you a good boost of fiber. But raspberries and blackberries especially give you a good boost of fiber, antioxidants, all the good stuff. All the good stuff you're looking for. But what I picked up was what was on sale, and it was fresh strawberries. Just from the yogurt. But, friends, everybody say but, I'm adding my Kodiak honey oat granola. Kodiak protein granola oats. 16 grams of fiber. Yes, yes, yes. This is just fresh strawberries, and I just have 1 pound, so I just went ahead and diced them up. Let's go in with a little bit more yogurt on each of these parfaits. That granola is 16 grams. If you get that Kodiak honey oat, that's my favorite flavor, is the honey oat. 16 grams of protein. And let me check the fiber. 6 grams of fiber as well. So can you tell that this is really going to keep me focused? Some of this local honey out of West Tennessee, sweet bee honey. Picked it up at the farmer's market. We're going to give it just a little drizzle. Is that all right? That was a little bit more than a drizzle. Parfaits have been my go-to give me something sweet, kind of a dessert, but still with Greek yogurt and protein granola. It's a win for me. Pushing high protein, low carbs, high fiber. Headed into one of my favorite rooms in the house, the laundry room. The sound of the dryer, the washer is soothing to me. What about to you? I always wonder, do other people just like to get a load of laundry going? Kind of helps me feel a sense of accomplishment because I know that I'm getting something done that is going to benefit me. So, let's get going. And I've taken as many as 3 blood pressure medications every day by mouth. And one of them I was taking twice a day. Yeah, I've come a long ways. I feel better. I feel much better in general already. Already. I'm definitely going to ask my doctor because I just happen to have a doctor's appointment tomorrow with my PCP, my primary care physician. And I'm definitely going to be asking them what are their thoughts about me taking the pill because y'all, I literally, I do my injections now on Saturdays, and I literally am thinking about it the day before, going through my mind, trying to calm myself down. I feel the anxiety in the lead up to me taking my injection every week. Is anybody else like that? Is anybody else like that, or is that just me? And yeah, I'm honestly considering whether or not I want to move over from my weekly injection to trying out Foundayo, which is the GLP-1 pill for weight loss. Am I done with Zepbound? It's just so much to even think about. So let's get into Dollar Tree for some retail therapy. Y'all, can you believe that we're right around the corner from the 4th of July? We just got through Memorial Day, and next week is Juneteenth. Dollar Tree has some great stuff. For real, for real. All different price points now, so check carefully. But I enjoy my time in the Dollar Tree, checking out everything in red, white, and blue because this is still our America. I'm saying that. This is still our America. And friends, let's get out the vote. Are you registered to vote? Have you voted in the midterm elections? It's getting real out here. Exercise your right to vote. People died to ensure our freedom. Vote.